To connect Apple Pencil 2nd generation to iPad Pro, first check that your iPad Pro model is compatible. So these are all of the iPad Pros which are supported. Then we're going to open the settings and we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is on. Then we're just going to place the Apple Pencil on this white line here, or grey line. It should be on the same side as the volume buttons. So place the flat end of the pencil onto this and it should connect. Now if it doesn't, I want you to go into the general area of settings, then select transfer or reset iPad, tap on reset, and then reset the network settings. Try again. If still not working, you will have to bring your Apple Pencil to Apple. Sometimes it will show the Apple Pencil logo but not connect. That is a hardware fault with the Apple Pencil.